Hi everyone, so this task is a recording for 12-7. Okay, so this is the task for 12-7. We discussed about the VLOOKUP formula already. VLOOKUP looks for a value in another sheet based on the information what you have given. So we are still again using the same VLOOKUP. The previous VLOOKUP task we done was quite simple. This one will go into more detail for the VLOOKUP task on how to do that particular section. Okay, so this is a task for 12-7. So to do this task, we need the file called salary VLOOKUP. There are two files. One is salary HLOOKUP and one is salary VLOOKUP. So we are using the file called salary VLOOKUP for this file, which I have already opened and copied pasted the question in there. This workbook contains two worksheets. One is the lookup table over here. In this lookup table, you can see that they have given you different salary ranges. Okay, so when I zoomed it, you can see this data is not seen. Just auto fit the column width and you should be able to see it fine. If it is not working, select the whole cell format and auto fit column width. It's not allowing me to do that. I think the cells are protected or locked over here, so that's why it is happening. Okay, just ignore that for the time being. So you can see the data, they have different sales range for the customers. So if a salesperson is making a sale from 0 to 20,000, he will get a basic salary of 1,000, commission of 1% and no bonus. But if a salesperson is able to make a sales ranging from 37,400 to 50,000, then their basic will be 1,100, their commission will be 7% and bonus is still 0. So depending upon the sales made by each salesperson, the business is deciding their basic and their commission and their bonus. So the more sales the person makes, the more bonus they will get and the more commission they will get and the more salary also they will be able to earn. So we should be able to calculate all of this in this sheet salary calculator by using the information from this lookup table. And to pick up the information from the lookup table, we need the formula for VLOOKUP. So first one is a lookup table. I showed you what is there in that information. And in salary calculator, where we need to enter the information to pick up the figures. Now let's look at the point C. On the salary calculator worksheet, enter a test value for sales of 15,000 in D5. So in the salary calculator worksheet, in cell D5, they want you to enter a sales figure of 15,000. So whoever salesperson we are talking about, this person has made a sales figure of 15,000. And based on this sales figure of 15,000, we should calculate his basic wage, his commission, his bonus and then the total. So we entered 15,000 in D5. We need to populate the basic wage in D9. This requires the lookup table. We need a formula to find the appropriate sales range, in this case 0 to 20,000. And return the value in column C, the basic. This is done using VLOOKUP. So when we are looking sales is 15,000. So this is in the first range 0 to 20,000. So when we return the value in the basic, we should be able to return 1,000. And then this is done using VLOOKUP. And then we can also calculate the commission and also bonus based on the sales range. So we need to enter a VLOOKUP formula in cell D9 to pick up the basic. Note you will need to use the range lookup as true. Previously, when we done the range lookup, we have done false because we were looking for an exact match. But here our sales is 15,000 and we don't have an exact match because sales is given to you as a range 0 to 20,000. So here the range lookup should be true so that you can pick up the nearest value. So when you say 0 to 15,000, the nearest value is 20,000. So it will pick up the information from the first column. But if you use a range lookup as false, it will look for an exact match. And there is no exact match of sales for 15,000, so it cannot return any results for you. So I'm going to show you what will happen if you use false and what will happen if you true when you are doing this. So in the salary calculator, in the cell D9, we need to insert the VLOOKUP. So equal to formulas, lookup and reference, and VLOOKUP. The box has opened to enter our arguments. Lookup value. We are picking our basic based on the sales figure. So lookup value will be your sales figure. The information to gather this is in a separate sheet which is called as the lookup table. The table array to pick up the information is in the other sheet called the lookup table. Leave your mouse there, go to the lookup table and highlight all the information what you need, because you are calculating basic in the first one, then commission in the next one, and the bonus in the next one. So you can use the same formula for all the other sheets. So just select the whole table at once. And then the first cell we are only returning the basic. Basic is in column C. You can see A, B and C. The basic what we want to return is in column C. But here they want the column index number. They don't want the alphabet. So A is column 1, B is column 2 and C is column 3. So the answer what we want to return is in column 3. And the range lookup, I will type false to show you what will happen. Okay. And I'll say okay. So when you do that, you can see it is not giving you any result. It is telling not applicable, because this value of 15,000 exactly is not there in the lookup table. You only have 20,000, 28,000, 37,000, etc. So when you use range lookup as false, it will look for an exact match, and because that exact match is not existing, it is not able to return you any value. So now, let's undo. Instead of doing this as false, change it into true and press enter again, and now you can see your monthly sales figure is 15,000, so it is returning you a basic wage of 1,000, and you can see it is right, 0 to 20,000 the basic salary is 1,000. Now you need to calculate commission, bonus and total also. To do the commission and bonus, you can use the same lookup table. But before you drag your lookup table, make sure you use absolute referencing on A1 and E8. The reason for that is your lookup table is in the ranges from A1 to E8. This is not changing. This table is not changing. So you want this table to remain constant when you are copy pasting the formula. So to do that, do absolute referencing on A1 and E8. So as I told you, put the dollar signs on your iPad or on your keyboard. If your F4 is working, you can press F4 once and all the dollar signs will come. But if it is not, then you will have to enter the dollar signs individually. So basic wage is 1,000 we calculated. Now let's copy paste that formula into the next cells. So Control C and Control V. And if you see, everything is returning as 1,000 because every time we are returning the value in column 3. But if you see, commission is in column 4 because commission is in D. So this is column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. So commission is in column 4. But when we are using basic wage, we used column 3. So that is why it is only returning the value from 3 all the time. And in column 3, we only have basic. So in the next cell where you want to use the commission, change that column number 3 to column number 4. And it is going to calculate the commission. For the bonus, change again the column 3 to column 5 and press enter. It is not calculating any commission because the commission is 1%. So 1% on 1,000 should be 10 pounds, but it is not returning me anything. So let me check the formatting of the cell to see why the value is not coming. It moved to D5 has moved to E5 and there is nothing in the E5, so that is, it is giving me a 0 answer over here. So range lookup also is still your salary, which is not changing. So put absolute referencing on the salary also on the D5 and then it will not create that problem. So go here. You're still picking up the commission based on the sales figure. Sales figure is in cell D5. So change it to D5. Sorry. D5. For bonus also, sales is in, so D5. Still not calculating anything. So check the formatting now. Nothing is getting highlighted. Format cells is not highlighted. Okay. So the reason why it is giving 0 is the commission is 1%, which is 0.01%. But you need to calculate this percent on the sales figure. So VLOOKUP formula is only picking how much is the percentage of commission. But you need to multiply that with the sales figure to be able to calculate the commission. And now you can see it is giving you a commission of 150. Because this commission of 1% is calculated on the sales figure. So basic wage based on the sales figure is 1000. Commission on the sales figure is 1% of the sales. So sales is 15,000 and 1% of 15,000 is 150. So this VLOOKUP formula will return the commission percentage. Make sure you multiply that with the sales figure to know how much should be the commission. Same with the bonus. The formula will return the bonus percentage, which over here for 15,000 bonus is 0. But still multiply that with your sales figure to show that answer over here. And here it is showing that in the form of a hyphen. But if you right click and convert that into number format, it will show you a 0. Somehow I don't know why my format cells is not getting highlighted, so I am not able to do that. So for 15,000 sales figure, my basic is 1000, my commission is 150 and my bonus is 0. To get to the total, it will be the sum of all these three figures from D9 to up to F9. So you don't need to put all the three cells. D9 colon F9, that means it will add all the cells together. So your total salary for a sales figure of 15,000 is going to be 1,150. So if you now go here, so we done the VLOOKUP formula in the cell D9. We use range lookup true, and I told you what will happen if we use range lookup false. With the correct formula, you should get a basic wage of 1,000. Change 15,000 in D5 to 75,000 and the basic should change to 1,100. Let's check that. So they want to change this 15,000 to 75,000. And when you do that, you can see the basic is changing, commission is also changing, and the bonus is also changing because we all done all the calculations at once. So that means your formulas are working, because it is when it is 7,500, it is 50,000 to 100,000. So basic is 1,100. Commission is 9% on the sales. So 9% on 75,000 will become 6,750. And bonus is 1% of the sales. So 1% of 75,000 will become 750. And then you calculated the total, which is the total of all these individual figures. We need a similar lookup for commission in E9, which we have already done. I showed you how to do the commission in the E9. We need lookup to calculate the value of the salary. So remember to multiply the percentage with the monthly sales figure. So that is what they are telling. First use the VLOOKUP and then multiply it with the sales figure to calculate the commission and to calculate the bonus. put a similar formula in F9 to calculate the bonus. We have completed that. And save the file in solutions 12-7. So that is what the task is completely done. They have given you a note over here also on what happens if you use false and what happens if we use true. For this lookup table, we cannot use false because there are no exact matches. We are only looking for a nearest value, so that's why the range lookup should be true, so that we look for the nearest value. VLOOKUP will help you to pick up the formula, and to calculate the commission and the bonus, multiply it with the sales figure to calculate the commission and the bonus. And just if you want to change and check any other figure, let's see, the highest salary is 120,000, so I will use 110,000 here, and you can see the figures are automatically changing. So whatever figure you are typing in the sales, the information is getting reflected accordingly. So if you type 10,000, you can see commission and bonus are changing. They wanted you to leave 75,000 as it is, so that is your calculation for 75,000. So this is your task 12-7.